Hello friends! Have you ever wondered how to marry a Canadian girl? In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to build a relationship with a Canadian girl and eventually make her your life partner. Watch the full video, because at the end, I'll share some secret tips that 90% of guys don't know. Step 1. Make an introduction with a Canadian girl. To do that, you can use dating apps like Tinder, Bumble, or OkCupid. Social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook also work well. The most important thing is to be honest and respectful when you reach out. That's the first key to making a good impression. Always remember, being genuine and polite will set you apart. Canadian girls appreciate sincerity and kindness above all else. Here are some popular ways to connect: Tinder, Bumble, OkCupid, Instagram, or Facebook. Choose the one that feels right for you and start a conversation. Be honest and respectful from the very beginning. That's the first key to building trust. Link in description box. After the introduction, take things slow and start building the relationship. Talk regularly, send thoughtful messages, and make time for video calls. Try to learn about each other's cultures and backgrounds. Understanding her culture and sharing yours will help you both connect on a deeper level. Ask questions, be curious, and show genuine interest. Regular communication is key. Make video calls, share your daily life, and listen to her stories. This helps build trust and emotional connection. Remember, no one falls in love just for a visa. Love her as a human being, not as a means to an end. Focus on building a real, meaningful relationship. If the relationship goes well, try to meet in person. You can travel to Canada to see her or invite her to visit your country. Meeting face-to-face is an important step. When you feel, yes, I want to marry this girl, go ahead and propose. Make sure your proposal is genuine and from the heart. Canadian girls value honesty and true feelings. To get married in Canada, you'll need a few important documents: your passport, birth certificate, single status certificate, and if you were previously married, divorce papers. Make sure all your paperwork is ready before you start the process. You can choose to get married in Canada, or if that's not possible, you can opt for virtual registration. Both options are recognized, but check the latest rules before making a decision. Whether you marry in person or virtually, make sure your marriage is legally registered. This is important for the next steps. After marriage, your Canadian wife can sponsor you for a spousal sponsorship visa. This allows you to live in Canada permanently as her spouse. The spousal sponsorship visa process involves submitting your documents and waiting for approval. It's important to provide honest and complete information. The processing time is usually around 8 to 12 months, but it can vary. Be patient and stay positive during this period. Many people ask, what are Canadian girls really like? Let me share some important qualities. Canadian women are independent, honest, and well-educated. They have strong personalities and believe in equality in relationships. They value open communication and expect their partners to treat them as equals. Respect and understanding are very important. Canadian girls are not interested in money or visa-related relationships. If your intentions are not genuine, they will notice. If your love is real and your intentions are honest, your relationship will have a strong chance of success. Now, at the end of the video, here are 3 special tips that 90% of guys don't know. Tip number 1. Never lie. Canadian girls are very smart and can easily spot dishonesty. Tip number 2. Always respect her culture. Take time to learn about Canadian traditions and values. Tip number 3. Don't talk about visas or moving to Canada at the beginning of the relationship. Focus on building a real connection first. Follow these 3 tips and your chances of success will be much higher. If you liked this video, give it a heart and show your support. Comment below and tell us which country's girl would you like to marry. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more relationship and visa guides. We have lots of helpful content coming up. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and best of luck on your journey to love.